Yes, everyone, please turn on your camera. Okay.
I'm will you are going to start the next chapter.
Coordinate geometry we are discussing over here. Sasi. Who was there in the previous class, right?
Yes, ma'am, but I left before 15 minutes.
So yeah, we are going to continue with the same. Tejas has sent me few questions. That was question number 19, 31 and 32. 19 I think we have taken. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am,
31 and
we have
32
taken.
we will. 31 and 32 we will be discussing.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 31 from the revision test paper. Okay. Question is, okay, basically the figure is given. That is, okay, figure is given. I am copy pasting the figure just, which is given in the questions. Okay, A, B, C, D, this figure is given. This is 3 unit and this is 5 unit. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the coordinate of this point C. Point C coordinate we have to find over. Okay, so just focus on point A. Okay, just focus on point A. If there will be point A whose coordinate is 2 comma 2, can we say that this much is 2 and this much is like this 2 same, this is also 2, that is also 2? Can we say?
Yes, ma'am.
We can say that, right? So this A is 2 comma 2, that means here x is 2. Okay, and this much y is also 2. Here y is 2. Okay, we have to find C from here, the coordinate of C. And C, it is a rectangle ABCD. This is how the information is given. Now we are trying to process. A is 2 comma 2. What does that mean? Okay, that means x is 2 over here and y is 2 over there, of course. Now B, is it possible to find B? So since it is a rectangle ABCD, if that is 5 unit, this will also be 5 unit, right?
Yes.
Okay, and x is 2 over here. Here x will be, can we say that 2 plus 5, that means 7. 7 will be there. Can be.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's try figuring it out. What will be the coordinate of B? Will it be x is 7 and y is 2? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's a rectangle. Okay, what will be the coordinate of C? That is the main question. So we can see C and B both are in the same line. So x will be same 7 and y will be 2 unit. Already we are having 3 more unit, 5 unit. Can we say? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
So coordinate of C only we were supposed to find. Okay. There exists a question in which this type of figure was given. A point coordinate was given 2, 2. B is there, C is there, D is there. This is a rectangle. This is written in the question. Length is given for this particular rectangle and breadth is given for this particular rectangle. Now, hence, with this much information, find the coordinate of C. So we figured it out. At A it is 2, 2. So here x will be 2. Since length of this rectangle is 5 units, so this AB will also be 5 units. That means this will also be 5. So here x will be 2 plus 5. That means 7 units. Now coordinate of B will be 7, 2. But we don't want to find coordinate of B. We want to find coordinate of C. Okay, let's find. C will be x is 7. And y we have to think. So y is 2 over here and 3 more. That means y is 2 plus 3, that is 5. Yes or no? Everyone
Yes, ma'am.
got it?
Yes, ma'am. Got it. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next question he has asked is question number 32. If AB is parallel to x-axis, find the coordinate of remaining vertices. Let's check the figure. Figure is given, okay? This is 1, 2. This is 3. This is 3 since it's a square all sides 3. Now the question says that, let's read the question carefully. It says that in the given figure ABCD, which is a square of side 3 unit, if AB is parallel to x-axis, we can see it's parallel. Find the coordinate of remaining vertices. We will be able to find, right? Okay, we will be able to find. If A is 1, 2, that means x is 1 over here. At B, x will be, who will say? At B, x will be, who will say? At B, x coordinate will be, yes, can you repeat? 1, 4, x will be 1. No. See, x is 1, then we are just progressing in the on the x-axis. So what is B? 3 unit we have gone ahead. 3 unit. Since it is parallel, so distances we can take same. Okay. If you are having a random point A whose coordinate is 1, 2, that means here x is 1 and here y is 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you are having a point B, a random point, and you are saying the distance between A and B, the distance is, what is the distance? 3 unit. Okay, between A and B, the distance is 3 unit. That means here x will be, previously it was 1 and 3 more. That means x will be 4 over here. At B coordinate, the coordinate of B, x will be 4. And y will be, since it is just straight this 2. Can we say it will be 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Safia, Sazia, Farhan, are you getting it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this much distance is 3. Given in the question, it says span. So we are saying that this much will also be 3. Okay, 1, 3 more, then x equals to 4. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here we'll be having point B coordinate will be 4, comma 2. Now there is a point C over here, a random point C. Distance between B and C, this vertical distance, this is 3. That means x will not change. See, x will not change. X will remain 4 and
2 will change. Y will change.
the vertical distance is 3. That means now 3 more, we need to take the height. So y will be 3 plus 2, 5. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What will be the coordinate of D? Who will say? Since it is a square and D is on the same line of A, so x will be same. What will be y? Y will be 5. Since, can you see this
Yes,
vertical
ma'am.
distance which is same as BC? This is also 3. Are you getting it,
Yes, ma'am.
students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all the coordinate we were supposed to find, we got B as a 4 comma 5. It will only be clear if you understand how to locate the point and how to identify the point, how to identify the coordinate of the located point. If these basics will be crystal clear to you, then this concept will make sense to you. Otherwise you will end up getting confused. Are you getting, Safia, Farhan?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are getting, let me give you a few more questions. Find the area of, yes, stages. We are done with your doubts, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 5th chapter.
That Euclid geometry, yes, I'll be taking. Let me cover this chapter, then I'll be taking, starting with the Euclid geometry. There I'll be taking all
Sure.
your doubts from.
Okay.
Okay,
Sure.
formed by the points P 0, 2, Q 0, 6, R 4, 5 is, okay, area you have to find. I'm not giving the options. You find the area and tell me. Okay, this is the question. Please give me a second. Yes, are you done? Yes, or you are doing it? Tejas, Safia, Sazia, and Farhan.
I'm doing it.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, area is 8 square units.
Yes, Tejas will be checking. Okay, even I don't know the
Okay.
answer. We'll be checking. Okay, let's discuss it. Okay, are you done, Sazia and Safia?
Yes.
Okay, let's discuss it. What will be the area? 8 square unit. That's what Tejas said. It says that the area of a triangle formed by these 3 points. The one of the point is 0, 2. Okay, x is 0 and y is 2. Okay, another point is 0, 6, x is 0 and y is 6. We will be careful. Okay, and the next point is R, that is 4 comma 5. So x is 4 and y is 5. So maybe these 3 points are making a triangle. Okay, and we have to find the area of this particular triangle. Yes, Tejas, how you found the area? Formula for area is 1 by 2 into base into height.
Yes.
That day I was explaining you, if you want to find distance between 2 points, okay, you just need to focus on y coordinate, vertical distance you need to find, and b minus a formula you need to apply. That means the top number minus the bottom number, and that will give you the distances 4 unit over 4. Yes or no? And logically also 2 to 4, 2 to 3, okay, 2 to 6. Okay, we have to find the distance from where y is 2 and where y is 6. Okay, so 2 to 3, 3 to 2, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 4 unit distance is there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so 4 unit distance. On this base, we will be dropping a perpendicular. Okay, here we know the coordinate was 4 comma 5. That point we have located over. So if you will be dropping a perpendicular, a point 4 comma 5 is there, and from there you are dropping a perpendicular, it will touch the y-axis at 5. Is it so? Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and it will touch the x-axis at 4. Yes or no? Right? So we can say that this much distance, this much distance is nothing but just the horizontal distance, that is 4 unit. Yes or no? This
Yes, ma'am.
distance and that distance will be same, so the distance, this perpendicular, will be 4 unit. Yes or no? This much coordinate geometry if you understand, then you will be able to say that this horizontal distance will be 4 unit. Okay, it will touch the y-axis at 5. Are you getting it, Safia, Sazia,
Yes, ma'am.
Farhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are going to say that this much distance will be 4 unit. We are having a triangle which looks like this, and perpendicular we have dropped, and that distance is 4 unit. The base is also, we have found that the base is also 4 unit. Check it, from 0 comma 2 to 0 comma 6 we have found the distance is 4 unit, and the formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2, base is 4 and height is also 4. So is it 8 square unit? Yes. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas, it is 8 square unit. Perfect. Everyone getting it? Let's do few more questions. If x plus 2 comma 3 is equals to 7 comma y minus 3, then the coordinate of x comma y, basically x and y value you have to find. Okay, please find it.
understand the question.
Yes, what you got, Tejas? X and Y.
I did not understand this question.
Okay, we'll be doing it. Yes, Sazia, Safia, are you getting it? Farhan?
Ma'am, the answer is 5, 6.
Okay, we will check. Okay, whenever we are having this type of question, okay, just a second. Whenever we are having this type of question, what we will do, this coordinate is equals to that coordinate. That means x over here, whatever is representing abscissa over here, whatever is representing x coordinate over here, that will be equals to x coordinate over there. Okay, whenever you are comparing two coordinate, that means both are exactly same point. Even if it doesn't look same, both are same point. We are talking about same point. This equality sign means, this equality sign means whatever point it is exactly same as 7 comma y minus 3. Okay, if these 2 points are exactly same, equal sign is there in between, then that means we can compare x coordinate over here, x plus 2 is equals to x coordinate over there, 7. Both the abscissa we can compare, and both the ordinate also we are free to go ahead and we can compare. Why we are doing so? Because there is equality sign in between. Okay, and it will be only valid when you will be talking about same point. This point and this point are equal, means both are exactly same point. Okay, hence we are comparing the x coordinate of both of them and y coordinate of both of them, and from here we'll be getting the x and y. Tell me, are you getting it? X value will be
Yes,
7 minus 2, that is 5. Y value will be, if you will solve this one, y value will be 3 plus 3, that is 6. So x comma y, a new point we want to create with x and y. That will be x value is 5, y value is 6. Everyone getting it?
yes, ma'am, got it now.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Just okay, there is a point A, 0 comma 7. There is a point B, 6 comma 4. There is a point C, 3 comma minus 1. There is a point D, minus 3 comma minus 1. Okay, and a point E, minus 6 comma 4. We have to wait. This question don't do it. Okay, I'm changing the question. This question is based on drawing the figure and then showing. So I won't be able to check what you have drawn exactly.
Can you show me the question?
Yes, Tejas, you want to say anything? Okay, let's do this one. Write the coordinate of the vertices of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 7 units and 4 units respectively. One vertex. It's like the question which Tejas asked. Okay, try it at origin, the longer side lies on y-axis and one of the vertices lies in second quadrant. Also find the area of this rectangle. Please do it.
Ma'am, I got 28 square units.
Yes, yes, Sazia, Safia, Farhan, what are you getting? We will be discussing it. Please let me know what are you getting. Write the coordinate of vertices also is there. What you have got as a coordinate of vertices stages.
This one?
Coordinate of vertices also we have to find.
Coordinates of vertices?
Check it. We have to make the figure. We have to write the coordinate of vertices, and we have to find the area also of the rectangle which we have framed, which we have made.
Ma'am, one is one coordinate is 0, 0. Second one is 0, 7. And third one is minus 4, 7. This one is minus 4, 0.
Okay, let's check. Okay, let's check. So write the coordinate of vertices of a rectangle whose length and breadth. Length is 7, breadth is 4. This type of question we have solved, but the difference is their figure. At least the starting figure was given, but here nothing is given. One vertex at origin. A rectangle is there whose one of the vertex it has origin. Now it says that length is 7 units. So from origin we will go 7 units. Okay. 7 units. That means x will be 7. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now breadth is 4 units. So from here we will go up. We'll maintain 4 units. So here the coordinate, next coordinate will be 7, 4. This coordinate is 7, 0. This coordinate is 0, 0. One more coordinate we have to find. So we have to go how much distance? 7 unit because the length is 7 unit. Okay. Okay. Now what will be y over? Any idea? I'm asking from all of you what will be y at this black point. X will be 0, but what will be y?
Ma'am,
Okay,
0,
wait.
Ma'am,
7.
4.
Yes, it will be 4. One more thing. Okay, we started drawing the figure and then I realized second quadrant. Our figure is in first quadrant. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We are not on the right track. Okay. We started drawing the figure and then I noticed the second quadrant. Our figure must lie in the second quadrant. That's what it says. We need to read everything properly. Then only we will be drawing the figure. However, the concept which we have applied here, that is perfect. But the figure is not perfect since we have not read the complete question. Okay. So let's read it. One vertex at origin. The longer side lies on y-axis. Oh. The longer side lies on y-axis. That means the length. The length is lying on y-axis. Okay. The longer side lies on y-axis. One of the vertices lies in the second quadrant. Okay. One of the vertices. One vertex is 0, 0. The longer side is on y-axis. That means length. This length will be on y-axis. And what was the length? 7. Okay. So here on y-axis there will be another point, that is x is 0, y is 7. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
One point is there on the second quadrant. In the second quadrant there is a vertex. Okay. And we want to make a rectangle. In the second quadrant there is a vertex. Okay. Let's read it first. One vertex at origin. The longer side lies on the y-axis. One of the vertices lie in the second quadrant. Yeah, this much information here. The length of this rectangle is 7. This is the length. This is 7 unit. And the breadth. Now this will come out as a breadth which will be smaller. Smaller. Okay. Which will be 4 unit. Basically, this is how our rectangle will look like. This is breadth which is 4 unit and length will be 7 unit. This is how we are having the rectangle. Okay. So 0, 0 is fine. 0, 7 is fine. What will be the third coordinate?
Ma'am, minus 4, 0.
Yes.
The third one.
Here
Minus 4, 7.
minus 4, 7. Yes, and it will be minus 4 comma 0. Yes, I can see Tejas, you have already done it correctly. Yes, it is perfect. See, he said me the point 0 comma 0 0 comma 7 minus 4 comma 7 minus 4 comma 0, and yeah, we are getting these points only. Yes or no?
Yes.
When we are talking about the distance, we will not take negative sign in consideration. So this is just 4 unit. Okay, even if you are going towards the left of origin, it's fine, but distance will not be negative. So this is how we are getting the figure over. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, it is.
Okay, so yeah, coordinate geometry we are done. All the important questions we have solved over here, and you have seen what are the types of questions which can come in your exam.